ENCLAPSലേക്കുള്ള വഴി ഇനി തനിയെ തുറക്കാം. Subscribe to the ENCLAPS channel. Ring the bell button and open success. It's that easy.
Hi. Tangent is an important trigonometric function applicable in real life situations. Here is an instance of using tan measure. In this picture, we have to find how high the man standing. Just plot the structure like this. Here, AB is the height that we want to find out. We can see that width of one step is 20 centimeter. He is standing at the third step. So, length CB equals 20 into 3, that is 60 centimeter. Given that angle C equals 35, to find AB, tan 35 should be taken. So, tan 35 equals AB by CB. AB equals CB into tan 35, which equals 60 into tan 35 is 0.7002. So, 60 into 0.7002, that is 42.01. Now we can go for another important real life applications of trigonometry. Before that, we should be aware of angle of elevation and angle of depression. Hey Clappy, you are here. You are at the right time, man. I need your help. Stand straight and look at my thumb. Can you see a line? This is his straight vision. Clappy, now look at my head. You can see a line here. This line shows his raised view. You can find an angle made here. This angle is called angle of elevation. Clappy, please look into my foot. Here also you can see a line. This line is his lowered view. Here also you can find an angle between lowered line and straight line. This angle is called angle of depression. When you look upwards, the angle made is called angle of elevation, and when you look downward, the angle made is called angle of depression. Thank you Clappy, you did a great help. Thank you. Now you get a clear idea about angle of elevation and angle of depression. Okay, let's go for some examples. A man standing 10 meters away from the foot of a tree sees its top at an elevation of 40 degree. His height is 1.7 meter. What is the height of the tree? For solving this problem, we have to draw the figure. You can see the figure here. In this figure, AE is the man and BD represents a tree. Consider the triangle DEC. In the right triangle DEC, tan 40 equals DC by EC. DC equals EC into tan 40. We know that EC is 10 centimeter, so DC equals 10 into 0.8391, which equals 8.391. The height of the tree includes the height of the man also. So, height of the tree BD is equal to DC plus CB, which equals 8.391 plus 1.7, which equals 10.091 meter. Second question, a man 1.8 meter tall stands on a top of a lighthouse 25 meters high and sees a ship at the sea at a depression of 35 degree. How far is it from the foot of the lighthouse? For this question also, we have to plot the figure. Here, AD is the lighthouse, CD represents the man, and B is the ship. We have to find AB. Consider triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, AC equals AD plus CD, which equals 25 plus 1.8. We get 26.8. CE is his straight vision. So, angle ACB equals 90 minus 35, that is 55 degree. In this triangle, we have to take tan 55. Tan 55 is equals AB by AC. We have to find AB. So, we have to move AC to the left hand side. So, AB equals AC into tan 55. AC is 26.8. So, AB equals 26.8 into 1.4281, which equals 38.27 meter. Third question, a boy standing at the edge of a canal sees the top of a tree at an elevation of 70 degree. Stepping 10 meter back, he sees at an elevation of 25 degree. The boy is 1.5 meters tall. How wide is the canal and how tall is the tree? Here we need to find the width of the canal and the height of the tree. See this figure. In this figure, CE represents the tree, AF is the boy, G was his first position and F is his last position. We have to find BC and CE. Assume that BC equals GD equal to X and ED be Y. In triangle GED, tan 70 equals ED by GD. To find ED, we have to move GD to the left hand side. So ED equals GD into tan 70. We have already assumed that ED is Y and GD is X. So this will become Y equal to X into tan 70. Then Y is equal to 2.7475x. That is equation number 1. Consider the next triangle, triangle FDE. Here FD is equals X plus 10. So tan 25 equal to ED by FD. So ED equal to FD into tan 25. We know that FD equals X plus 10. So this will become X plus 10 into tan 25, which equals X plus 10 into 0.4663. We have to multiply with 0.463 and X and to 10. So this will become 0.4663x plus 4.663. Now we got two equations for Y and we have to equate these two equations for finding X. By equating this, we get 2.7475x is equal to 0.4663x plus 4.663. We can move the term with x to the left hand side. Then we will get 2.7475x minus 0.4663x, which equals 4.663. By subtracting, we get 2.2812x equal to 4.663. We want to find the x, so we need to move 2.2812 into the other side. Thus we get x is equal to 4.663 divided by 2.2812. That is x equals 2.044. So we get the width of the canal. Now width of the canal is 2.044 meter. Put this value in the first equation of y. Then we will get y is equal to 2.7475 into 2.044. That is 5.616. So we got the height of the tree, that is 5.616 plus 1.5, that is height of the boy, and we get the answer 7.116 meter. Through this session, we have studied so many applications of trigonometry in real life. Do practice more questions from MATLAB.
3 ലക്ഷത്തിലേറെ വരുന്ന ചോദ്യോത്തരങ്ങൾ ഏറ്റവും കുറഞ്ഞ ചിലവിൽ സ്വന്തമാക്കുവാൻ ഉടൻ തന്നെ ഡൗൺലോഡ് ചെയ്യൂ ENCLAPS the Learning App.